Welcome to the Android channel, and this is the Android and Google news for Wednesday, September the 5th, 2018. And today, in our Android and Google news, we have, it's interesting, the essential phones that have been actually doing great and updating the device on the first day with Android 9 Pie. Well, it's very interesting because they already pushed the latest September security updates to their devices, which means that, you know what, if you don't have a Google Pixel and you want to have the latest versions of Android, the essential phone is maybe another way to go. Even after it launched a update that should have fixed the issue, it seems that Google Pixel 2 XL users are still complaining of lag, sluggish performance, and basically Google is still investigating. It doesn't seem to really understand what's happening actually. So of course they are investigating and will probably issue some other updates to try to fix this problem. Microsoft Edge has an update on the Android devices, and of course the Android version now adds the possibility to view and have book annotations, receive breaking news alerts and notifications, and of course we'll talk a little more about Microsoft Edge on Android today on this channel if you are interested. We are still in the launch period of the new Android 9 Pie, but of course as technology is moving, we already start getting some details of the next version of Android. Now version Q will apparently alert you when actually app is not designed for Marshmallow or newer versions. Marshmallow is version 6, and it's in a push to kind of tell developers, look, you got to update your apps at some point, because we're going to tell everybody your app hasn't been updated in such a long time. Google is 20 years old. It was launched on September 4th, 1998, in a time where search was pretty much controlled by Yahoo. It quickly became the most popular search engine, and thanks to ads algorithms. But of course, it's a disguise, as it's also the biggest ad company in the world. And basically, what's the future of Google? We're kind of going to talk about it a little bit, probably on this channel today. Google is looking into a way to track your TV viewing habits. Now, one of the good news about this is that it might want to actually pay you to get all of that data and have its own rating system for TV shows and channels. Right now, this is pretty much dominated by Nielsen, that does all sorts of tracking of your viewing habits, but Google wants a chunk of this now. And if you have a Fitbit, don't update to Android 9 Pie. It seems that the device does not sync very well with the new OS, and although a fix is on the way, you might want to wait before all of this happens. A lot of users are complaining of problems. And this was the Android and Google news for Wednesday, September the 5th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.